Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how a scanner class can be used for user input for all the data types. Data types like the strings, the integers, the booleans. I'm going to show you in this video how each and every one of those data types can be used with the scanner class in order to accept the user input. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Then let's get right into the video. So first things first, I've created my class student with the main method. So to use a scanner class, you have to import it first. So I'm going to import java dot util dot scanner. Now the util is a package, the scanner is the class. We are going to use the scanner class. So after importing, you come and create an object for the scanner class. So I'm going to say scanner. As you can see the difference here, this first one starts with a capital S, and the second one a small s. So scanner equals to new scanner, then the brackets, then in the brackets we're going to put system.in. So that will be able to accept the user input. So, and also, like when you create a scanner class, you need to close it. It is like a good habit. It's like when you open up a file, you need to close the file in order to prevent any unnecessary behavior. So we are going to do the same here. We're going to close our scanner object. So scanner dot close is the method, scanner dot close method. So we have closed our scanner. So everything we are going to do it inside it. So I'm going to start first with the strings. So what I'm going to do, I want to enable the user to be able to enter maybe their name. I'm going to use a name as an example. So I'm going to say print out, telling the user enter your name. Colon, then space. As you know, obviously it is going to print out enter your name. Now to make it possible for the user to be able to reply to this, I'm going to say scanner dot next line. Let's run our code and see what we get. As you can see, that printed here, enter your name. So if you enter your name, you're going to enter our name code 911. As you can see, the process has been finished. So you possibly here enter your name. So as you can see, it has worked, but there is no interaction between the system and the user. So that will be our next step, to create like a little bit, not serious interaction, just something small. Yes, shall see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print out something like maybe like the system welcoming the person. So I would say hello space, then here I will need a variable to add to this to make the statement more meaningful. So for that, I'm going to come here, then I'm going to declare a variable and assign it to I'm going to declare a variable, and to that variable I will assign the scanner dot next line to it. So I'm going to say string, let me say name, since we are printing out the name, then equal sign. So this is my variable. So I'm going to put my variable here, plus as the name. Run back our code and see. It's saying enter your name. I'm going to use my YouTube channel name. You can enter your name, code 911. You can see now the system will like interact back with the user. It will say hello, maybe your name is John James. Hello John, hello James. So that's our first step. And to make our code more organized, I would want the name to like appear just beside here so that the user can enter the name just beside the enter your name text. So with that, you come to your code and then you remove the line. It is here, it says print line. So what you do, you remove the line so it will just remain as print. Now when you run your code, you'll be able to just enter the user will be able to enter their text just next to the enter your name text. So as you can see, so we are done with our string. So next we look at using them for an integer. So for an integer, I'm going to use an example as a passcode. So I'm going to print out enter your passcode. Space. I'm telling the user to enter their passcode. Then for them to interact, I'm going to int passcode equal scanner dot next int, because I'm dealing with the integers. Then I'll need to output like the interaction I talked about so that the system interacts with it. So I'm going to print out your passcode is then I'm going to plus passcode. So let's run our code and see. So we shall begin again afresh the prompt. So enter your name, enter your passcode. I'm just going to go with 1 2 3 4 and it was hello with your name, your passcode is this. I'll need to remove the line like I said before. Remove the line so that this 1 2 3 4 the user can be able to enter them right here. So remove this line, print line, and put our prompts. Enter your name, your passcode 1 2 3 4. Hello with your name, your passcode is this, and that's it for the integers. Next I want to look at the double, how the double can be used with the scanner class. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use an example of money, like someone's balance. So I'm going to print out enter your balance. You can use very different examples. I'm just using this at the moment. Use a colon and space, same procedure, but for now balance, like I said, I'm using a double for the balance. Made a mistake here. I'm using a double, so our variable will be a double balance. Double balance equals scanner dot next double. And I'll come here. I need an output on the double. When you say your balance is, and use a colon here. I can plus sign, and I'm going to say balance Yeah, so let's run our code. And we go with the prompts again. You enter your name, enter your passcode, and enter my balance. Maybe I'm left with $20 only. So it will say here, we print them out, your balance is 20.0. So let me go and modify my code. First I'll remove the line, then remove the line. I come here to the output here, putting a $sign so that it can represent $20. So I run my code. Enter your name, your passcode, and your balance 20. So as you can see here, hello, maybe John, your passcode is this, your balance is this. So it's like an interaction between the system, and the user. Yeah, so we are done with that. The last data type I'm going to look at is a Boolean. In case you want your system to interact with the user, composing of true or false. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use an example of a student. So I'm going to print out a question. I'm going to say, are you a student? Are you a student? Question mark. And what I'm going to do, in brackets, I'm going to put true or false so that the user can understand that you want them to enter true or false. The system wants them to enter true or false. So I'm going to say true stroke false. Then I'm going to say Boolean is student. Boolean is student equals scanner dot next Boolean. Then I'll need an output for it. I'm just going to say student in a colon, then a plus sign, then let's say is student. So that this will print out whatever the person will choose here, whether he's a student or isn't a student. So let's run our code. Then we go with the prompts again. Code. Enter your name, enter your passcode, enter your balance, and are you a student? True or false? Let me say true. And yeah, the system responds with all your details you have entered. Hello, with your name, your passcode is this, your balance is this. If you are a student, we'll print out true. If you are not a student, we'll print out false. So again, forgot the line here. I don't know why I'm over forgetting it. I'll move the lines so that they be in the same line. I'm going to put a colon here. So run our code, our last round. Enter your prompts, enter your name, enter your passcode, enter your balance. You're a student. Let me say this time false. So hello, your passcode is, your balance is, and a student is false. So yeah, that's it. And that's I've tried my best to be as brief and clear as possible. Hope you have found this video helpful. Make sure to drop a like, leave a comment in case you have any questions, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video.